Welcome to Civil Engineering United e-learning. My name is Justice Tsel. Our topic today is the road curve, and our subject is BSS Surveying N6. This is question paper is 2018 question paper 30 July. So let's start with our questions. The road curve is to be stacked out of the BC to EC. The BC is the beginning of the curve and the EC is the end of the curve. So I'm going to single out the important factors only, and then we're given the radius of 190 meters, and the angle of intersection is 52 degrees 24 minutes 38 seconds, and the chainage at the beginning of the curve is 2152.66. This is our BC, the beginning of the curve, and then this is our end of the curve, and then the curve is to the left. So if you come across this question and they tell you that the curve is to the left, just write 360 somewhere, and then if it's to the right, if it's to the left, just write 360 degrees 0 minutes 0 seconds. But if it's to the right, write 0000. Then the pegs are required at every full 20 meter chainage. I'll show you where are we going to apply this 20 meter chainage. So let's start with our questions. Question 1 says we need to calculate and tabulate the full setting out data from beginning of the curve to the end of the curve. So let's start with our calculations. So we're going to start with the LA, the arc length. It's end of the curve minus beginning of the curve. We're still under 3.1. We're going to calculate and tabulate. So it's the beginning of the curve minus the end of the curve minus beginning of the curve. The answer is 173.80 meters. So now let's tabulate after calculating the arc length. So this is our table. You'll be given this table in the exam room. So we're gonna start with BC, which is 2152.66. So that's where we are going to apply this 20 meter chainage. So we're going to change from our BC, the peg is okay. From here to apply 20 meter chainage is going to be 21. From 52 it's 60.00. We change this to 20 meter chainage, and then we're going to move with after 20 is 80, and then it's 2180, and then it's 220000. Then after here it's 2180, 2200, 220, 2000, 220, 240, 260, 280, 2300, and then 2320. We stop here. Remember, we're going to do it up to our end of the curve, so we won't go beyond. Remember, our end of the curve is 2326. It's 2326.66. so we stop here. This is our end of the curve. You just write your EC, and then here we're gonna write end of the curve minus beginning of the curve, which is our arc length, which is 173.80 meters. Then here the chord, you say this minus, we need the difference between the two. It's 2160.00 minus the beginning of the curve, which is 7.34, and then the difference between the two is 20. It's 20 up to here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it's 20 up to here. The chainage is at 20 meters. The difference is 20 meters. So now we're gonna need the difference between the two, where you write it. We need the difference between the two. You write it here. So this minus this is 6.46, and then the total of this must give you 173.80. these two must be the same. The difference, the total of this must give you 173.80, and then the beginning of the curve, end of the curve minus the beginning of the curve must give you this. The answers must be the same. So for us to calculate this ones here, we're going to use the formula. Let me show you the formula. The formula says 1718.9 times the A over the radius times 60. This 60 is not given in on your, it's not there on your formula sheet. You must write it. So this is our formula to calculate these angles here. So it's 1718.9 times the A. The A, we have only 3 A's here. It's 7.34 and the 20 and 6.46. So times the radius, we are given the radius of 190. We are given the radius of 190. So times 60. So we're gonna substitute. Let me write this formula here. 1718.9 times the A over the radius times 60. This is our formula. We substituted with the first one, our first A, and then we need it you must write it. We need it in an angle form. After you punched everything on your calculator, then you press this, the degree button, then it's gonna give you the answer in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So our first answer here will be 1 degrees, 0 seconds, 0 minutes, 24 seconds. Sorry, okay, we substituted here with 7.34, and then we move to the 20 meter chainage. The answer here is 3 seconds, 3 degrees, 0.6 seconds, and answer here is 56 minutes, 56 seconds, 56 minutes, 56 seconds. And then you write it 0306 because it's the same. The answer will be the same here. I carry under 7.34. The answer is 010020. 24, and then under 20 meter chainage we substituted the A with 20. The answer will be, so the answer will be the same up to here, and then here, because of we have 6.46, we substituted with 6.46, and then the answer will be 00 degrees, 58 minutes, 26 seconds. Then again we need the total of this. We need the total of this, all of them, and then the answer is 26 degrees, 12 minutes, 18 seconds. Let's go to the last row. Then listen. From the given information, we are told that the curve is to the left. If the curve is to the left, you start with, okay, listen, don't confuse this. This minus this must be, the answer must be here, not here. The answer must be here. Then the answer, and then here you write 0000, and then from here, you write 01 degrees, 00 minutes, 24 seconds. And then here, because the curve is to the right, to the left, you write 360 degrees, 00 minutes, 00 seconds. Then For you to get this answer, you say this minus this, it must give you this minus this. You get your answer. 360 degrees minus this, not minus this. This minus this. Okay, and then you're gonna, this minus this will give you this. This minus this. This minus this will give you 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 up until here. I agree we started with 360 minus this will give you this, and then this minus this will give you this. This minus this, this minus this, going down. And then after you get your final answer, it's 337 degrees, 47 minutes, 42 seconds. You say this minus this. Let me not confuse you guys. Okay, I get from, let me be slow again. 360 minus this is will give you this, and then this minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this. This, and then this minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this number, and then this number minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this, and then we need the difference between the two. The 360 minus this must give you this answer, which is 26, 12, 18 seconds, 12 minutes, 18 seconds. Where's my calculator? Already calculated it. It's the difference between the two. It's 360 degrees minus this, and must give you this. Take note for your information, these two must be the same, the answers, and these two must be the same. If they are not the same, then your calculations somewhere are wrong. Somewhere you made a mistake. So please make sure that after you tabulate and calculated everything, when you add, you minus this from this, must give you this, and then the total of this must give you this, which is the same as this one, and then the total of this must be the difference between the end of the curve and the beginning of the curve. We are done with 3.1. Then we are going to calculate the chainage at the intersection point. So we are going to calculate the intersection point. The formula for it is 3.2. Then it's IP. For you to, okay, we start with, okay, intersection point, yes. But we start with the tangent, equals to R tan, this is our formula, over 2. The R is the radius, and then the angle is this divided by 2. 52 degrees, 24 minutes, 38 seconds, divided by 2. And then it's 190 tan of this divided by 2. Tan of 26 degrees, 12 minutes, 19 seconds. It's this divided by 2, the 52. The 52. This one. 52 degrees, 24 minutes, 38 seconds divided by 2. It will give you this, and then it's 190 times the tan of 26, 12, 19 seconds. Then our T equals to will be this is our final answer, 93.51. Then now we calculate the required intersection point, which is BC plus T, the calculated one. And then this is our beginning of the curve. The beginning of the curve is 2152.66 plus 93.51. The beginning of the curve. You forget. And then the beginning of the 2152.66. 2152.66. the answer is 2246.17 meters. Let's go to 3.3. Calculate the crown distance. The formula for the crown distance is T times tan the angle over 4. Our angle over 4, okay, the T is this one. 93.51. This is our T, and then this is our IP. Our T is the angle, it is T times tan the angle over 4. 93, this one is this one. 93.51 times the tan of the angle divided by 4. It's 13 degrees 06 minutes 9.5 seconds. Then this is our, we're calculating the crown distance. So the crown distance. Then our answer will be 21.76 when you punch everything here. 0.76 meters. Remember, don't be confused, guys. This 13 comes from this angle over 4 is this one. Then the tan of this one times 93.51. Guys, we have now come to the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from this lesson. For those who have questions, you can place your questions on the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye.